Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Before we begin, hear this. Something is shifting for you right now. And after this meditation, you may notice messages, calls, or attention coming in unexpectedly because tonight you're not chasing anymore. You are becoming the energy that attracts. If you are ready for them to think about you, to feel drawn to you, to reach out without you lifting a finger, take a deep breath in and silently say, I am ready to receive. Let your body soften. Relax your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Drop your shoulders. Feel your body sinking deeper and deeper. With every breath out, release tension. And with every breath in, invite calm. Now imagine a soft, glowing light surrounding you. This light is your energy, your presence, your magnetic field, and right now is becoming irresistible. Now repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. I am unforgettable. I naturally attract attention without effort. They are thinking about me right now. My energy lingers in their mind. I don't chase, I attract. They feel drawn to reach out to me. My presence creates desire and curiosity. I am chosen. I am valued. I am prioritized. They can't stop thinking about me. Communication flows to me easily and quickly. I am magnetic, powerful, and desired. Now let it sink into your body as if it's already true. Now I want you to picture your phone. See it clearly in your mind. It lights up. A message, then another, then another. Your name on their mind. Their fingers typing to you. Feel the excitement. Feel the validation. Feel the calm confidence of knowing, of course they reach out to me. You're not surprised. You expected it because this is who you are now. Someone who is pursued, someone who is remembered, someone who is wanted. Let that feeling expand in your chest. Now release any doubt. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to check your phone constantly because what's meant for you is already moving towards you. Shift into trust and say to yourself, I trust the timing of my life. I allow attraction to happen naturally. I am calm, confident, and receiving. Feel the difference. You are no longer waiting. You are expecting. Take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly. And when you open your eyes, carry this energy with you. And remember, they feel you before they reach you. Type in the comments, they are thinking about me and reaching out now to claim it. And if you want to manifest them faster, just visit joybyjanell.com for deeper manifestation tools designed to amplify this exact energy.